Welcome to CloudC Yoga. I'm Cloud. This session is perfect if you sit for long periods, often feel tightness in your shoulders, or experience discomfort in your back. When our bodies are stiff, it can easily lead to physical pain and also make us feel irritated and impatient inside. Through this practice, we can release the deep tension we've been holding, allowing our hearts and minds to feel lighter and more comfortable. The peace you find on the inside is a gift that effortlessly extends outward. You become the source of calm for others. You can make this your quick morning ritual after you wake up, or use it whenever you've been sitting or lying down for too long. For this practice, you don't need a yoga mat. You only need a sturdy chair with a back to practice one of the poses. When you are ready, let's begin the practice. Let's start by standing cat-cow. Standing with your feet just a little wider than hips. Extend your arms forward and round your back. Then as you inhale, open your arms to 90 degrees. Open your chest and look up. On the exhale, round your back and straighten your arms. Continue to move with your breaths for a few more rounds. Follow your breath to find space. Every time you inhale, feel your chest open and look up. On the exhale, stretch your back. Bring your focus back to your breath and your spine. Gently let go of the stiffness. Now we take one last round. Then slowly return to our standing posture. Next, interlace your fingers from the back. Roll your shoulders backward. From here, slowly move into your forward fold. If possible, bend your knees slightly so your belly can touch your thighs. This adjustment helps protect your lower back and allow the focus of the stretch on the lengthening of your spine. Feel free to sway gently from side to side. In this simple inversion, let go of the tension in your body and any lingering thoughts in your mind. Now slowly come all the way up. Let's move into neck stretch. Keep your standing posture with your feet open. From here, you can gently tilt your head to the right side. Come back to center, then to the left. Follow your own breath and move slowly. As you inhale, lift your head, and on the exhale, deepen into the side stretch. Return to center. Now we turn the head to the right side. Feel the stretching, back to center, then on the other side. Move slowly at your own pace. The range of motion doesn't need to be too wide. Just gently feel the stretch. Release the pressure you are holding on to. Step by step, we are opening up the space in the body. Back to center. Open your feet a little wider than your hips. Then inhale, open your right arm and draw a big wide circle. Exhale, feel the stretch. Then come back on the inhale. Exhale, work on the other side. Move slowly with your own breathing rhythm. Remember, we inhale, we draw a big circle. And we exhale, slowly feel the stretch. Focus on the feeling of the stretch itself, not how far you can reach. In this pose, you can feel the beautiful extension in your side waist, ribs, and arm. Allow this practice to bring openness across your chest, helping you breathe more deeply and freely. The calmer you breathe, the better you start to feel, both inside and outside. After the final set, we will return to center and prepare for the next posture. Find the back of your chair. Ensure the chair is stable. Then place your hands firmly into it. Step your right foot forward to a 90-degree angle and the back foot away from you, with the toes turned out slightly. This creates your Warrior One base. After adjusting your posture, gently straighten and bend your knees. When your front leg reaches 90 degrees, you should feel a good stretch in the muscle of your back calf. As you move, adjust distance until it feels right for your body. Keep moving gently, finding more freedom in your hips and knees. After the final round, hold the posture for about 10 seconds. Then slowly release. Now let's switch sides. Left foot forward, right foot back. Find your comfortable distance and repeat the flow to release tension. Gently warm up your legs and hips. In your front leg, remain slightly bent as you extend. There is no need to push it. Keep the movement forward and backward. After the last round, hold the posture here. Bring the awareness to the areas of opening. Now slowly release. Step your back foot forward slightly. Grip the back of the chair. Slowly walk your feet back until your hips are over your heels. Keep the distance about the length of your torso. Straighten your arms. You may already feel a nice stretch across your shoulders and neck area. There is no need to push for the deepest range of motion. Simply feel the sense of opening and ease across your upper body. Slow inhale and exhale to release. Now slowly come up. You can let go of the chair and come all the way up to standing. For the final posture, inhale, open up your arms wide. Enjoy a full body stretch. Exhale, fold all the way forward into your forward fold. You're welcome to soft bend in your knees here. You can repeat this motion. Inhale, open up. And exhale, forward fold. Honor your body by moving slowly and staying well within your comfortable range. Slowly in and slowly out. On your final round, stay in the forward fold. Hug opposite elbows in front of you. You can move your body softly side to side, or stay perfectly still to feel this beautiful stretch. Now catch your waist and slowly come up to standing position. Let's stay here in mountain pose for a moment. Close your eyes and feel your breath. A slow, mindful inhale and a relaxing exhale. Tune into this gentle flow of energy and a new space you've created in your breath. Bring your palms together at your chest. Reward yourself with a gentle smile. You've done so well. When you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes and continue with your day. If you would like to support us in making more videos, you are welcome to join our YouTube member. Your every bit of support is our motivation. Finally, if you want to see our teaching updates outside of YouTube, you can also register for our newsletter. The link is right below this video, and I'll see you next time.